Boo! It's good to see you today. Sorry for the messy desk, I haven't had time to clean up. Maybe I should, nah, too lazy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get instantly higher quality 360 videos. And I'm talking instantly. This is Ernie, by the way. Ernie is a goldfish. Say hello, Ernie. So in today's video, Ernie and I are going to teach you how to get instantly higher quality 360 videos as well as VR 180 videos. I released a video recently called How to Shoot and Edit 3D, and a bunch of you guys were asking, Ben, how did you get such high quality video from the Vuz XR? I have the same camera and mine looks nowhere near as good as that. Yeah, this one here. And then I realized there's a secret setting I use inside of Adobe Premiere that you can use regardless of whether you have Premiere, Final Cut, another editor, and it doesn't matter which 360 or 180 camera you own. Now, let's get into it. So you're inside your editor, and when exporting your finished product, your instinct might be to choose H.264 and match source high bitrate. Because we're dealing with equirectangular files here, they're different to conventional 16:9 video, and Premiere is usually pretty smart and can figure out the dimensions and the export settings on its own. And I can admit, I've done it this way for a long time, but this is a mistake. Since our footage is 5760 by 2880, H.264 is not the best codec to use. H.264 is better optimized for 4K videos, whereas ours are 5.7K. So what I'm going to do instead is go HEVC, which is H.265. I'm going to choose that. And now when I scroll down, I want to customize my target and maximum bitrate. I would suggest using variable bitrate and moving this slider all the way up to 60. Because H.265 has way better file compression than H.264 and you're now exporting at a much higher bitrate, you're going to notice a significant increase in the sharpness, the colors, the overall image is going to look a lot better. Here I've punched into 800% to show you the difference. And on the right, it's so much sharper. Can you believe this is the exact same video file? You can actually see detail there in the water, whereas on the left it's blotchy and blurry and doesn't look good at all. This is particularly effective in the shadow areas of your videos. How much better does that look? On the left it's covered with artifacts and it seems like a lot of the colors are just joining together. It's a much more restricted color palette compared to H.265 on the right. The only downside really that I can think of is that the file size is now quite a bit bigger. So if that's too big for you, if you have slow internet or you don't have much storage, you can always change your bitrate down. As you can see, I just halved the size of my overall file, but if you can, keep the slider all the way to the right. Now that's it, let's export. So if you're shooting with a camera like this or this, where the resolution is over 5K, then H.265 is going to be your best friend. Just like Ernie is my new best friend. Aren't you, Ernie? Bloop, 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 bloop. Hey! And even if your camera is 4K or less, taking control of your bitrate is going to give you the best result possible from what your camera is capable of. Don't expect miracles, because if you have a bad camera to begin with, it's not going to miraculously make your footage amazing, but it will encode your video file with the most amount of information possible. Alright, that's it. Hope that was useful. And by the way, if you want to become a 360 ninja and get all of my best 360 video shortcuts delivered straight to your inbox, then you will definitely want to check out my video course, A Beginner's Guide to 360 Video. It'll teach you everything you need to know to get up and running with your 360 camera in no time. So that's it from me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell there, ring it. Ding, 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 ding. Weather outside's looking amazing. We're so lucky here in Sydney. We get summery weather all year round. The sun's always out, it's always warm. We can go for a swim whenever we want. Come on, Ernie, let's go. Come on, man. You coming, bro?